Well, look at this collection here. This is a new kid on the block. Keen to get into this one. First red one. Camera makes it look better than it actually is. She needs a bit of work. No longer have to daily that thing. So we got Hiluxes everywhere. Well, here's the new one into the fleet. Had another one, a silver one, but it sold too quick. Didn't even get a chance to video it. Just testing these wheels on. These sniper wheels with Kenda tires on from a 360 link. I think this one might be one we lift and do up a little bit. Quick walk around and stuff before. So much stuff needs doing. Headlights, engine bay needs a real good clean. It's got this random bloody poaching light sitting in there. The stock wheels, obviously running boards and stuff. Man, interior is blown to bits. This may be worse than the gold one we done, but potential. It's all about potential. I reckon I'm gonna get this one looking quite nice. Carpet is stuffed, but I'll get that on mint. She's been a work ute, that's for sure. First step's gonna be canopy delete, and then the normal stuff, cut and polish, strip the whole interior, steam clean all the carpet and stuff.
The bumper fell apart.
Oh, that is blowing to bits. But if you can get a bit of a vision now, she's going to look quite tough once it's lifted on these tyres, which are basically 33's. Canopy's deleted on the big jobs. 3 canopies chilling here now. Instantly tougher. They get so dirty here, but they'll come straight off with my magic chemicals. Won't even need to brush it. Same in here, filthy as. Decided to do the roof lining as well because the rest was too good and the roof lining was letting it down, so this was very dirty. Now it is perfect, so I'm glad I done it. Well, this is nearing completion now. Interior is basically all done, looking so mint. But before I do the outside properly, picked up another one. I'll show you this before because I want to start doing them both at the same time. Not as bad, but needs a lot. So yeah, it's actually lockdown. I got that white one the day before lockdown, which was ideal, keep me busy. So I might pull this one out, take some photos of it so I can just get it up for sale, and then I'll make a start on that one. Alright, so exterior on this thing's actually not too bad. The interior needs a bit of attention. It's probably actually like muddier than the other one, door cards and everything, but that one just had heaps more like oil stains. So yeah, it's going to be all the seats and everything. Shouldn't be too major. Haven't decided if I'm going to do wheels and lift on this one yet. It definitely looks better on camera. Well, I got the manifold off, and boy oh boy, she is very, very blocked. I'm glad I'm doing this job. Show you down in here. Look at this back port. It's like half the size. This thing is going to go like a cat once it's all cleaned. Bit late to start recording. When I got it, I noticed it was smoking a little bit under acceleration and it was a bit sluggish when it was cold. Immediately assumed it was a blocked manifold. So yeah, I'm just currently cleaning it out now, and I've already cleaned this manifold out. I think you would have seen the clip before. It probably wasn't that great, but yeah, this is way better now. Clean as. This is a very common Hilux problem. EGR's a bad time. EGR here. Need to give that a little clean up. Nearly there. Got the intake back on, all the injection lines. Basically just throttle body and intercooler. Now I can start it up for the first time. See how she goes. It's going to be pretty smoky at the start. Well, here's another build done. So this is Liam's new Ranger. So we've done Outback armor, front and rear.
I was just going to do the front, put some Lenzos on it, call it.
Yeah, could have done what everyone else does and just front lift only and Lenzos, but that's mainstream.
Squatted.
Done this the same day he picked it up. We already ordered everything and got straight into it. Fuel with Kenda tyres on, perfect fit. These are basically equivalent to a 33. Yeah, this is quick, basic wheels and suspension, and huge difference, so unsure.
Doesn't take much, eh?
What else are you going to do to it?
I got some roof racks coming for it. Put a tent on it.
Go camping.
Go live in the wilderness.
Where do you stop? Could do a stainless snorkel and everything, but
I don't get too carried away. Bull bar.
yeah, we'll see. That's a good combo. Those wheels are mean. Yet another one, we gave the Outback armor treatment. Done. Maybe put some steelies and muddies on it. There you go, Outback armor. Rear as well, because rear lifts matter. And I'll actually have you know, I fit 33s on it, these wheels, with no lift. So to achieve that, pulled the caster all the way forward, and there was actually no rub at all. I was actually quite surprised because I know people struggle to fit 33s even with 2-inch lift. So there you go, right offset, easy. And I also put these weather shields on just to top it off. Very nice. By the way, these wheels are perfect, like bulges slightly out, but the tread's under, so it's still legal. Couldn't get better. So yes, you can fit 33s, no lift. In saying that, you have to have a bull bar to be able to pull the caster right forward. Pop in to see Korowai, his new beast. Brock, get down. Foo! New HQ, all the way from the Naki. What's this?
Oh, you know, another Holden.
What's so good about this one?
Factory V8, not in the system, rego lapsed. Got all matching numbers for the engine, worth a lot more now where they realise that. But the fella that owned it's fucking done some dodgy shit. Ignition all burnt out. Wondering why I couldn't get it going. Here's his switch here for some reason, I don't know how it's worked, but...
Junior Honor, go grab this for you.
Fucking Liam Honor, he was a fucking good lad. The guy was mucking around heaps, and I felt bad for Liam, but he's a top man. I'll Liam went and grabbed it for us.
Looks not bad.
A lot better condition than that one anyway.
Yeah, this one was had heaps of rust and is becoming quite a big job. Nothing's impossible. This one's only got a few rust spots, so should be pretty easy. Already got wheels lowered. It'll be us. We'll be rolling in this thing soon. Shut your music up.
Try and get a carby.
So was it need just carby?
Carby and headers.
Oh yep,
And
yep.
Try and get those in the next few weeks and get it started, and then I'll just drive it.
We'll go for a run.
Yeah.
Gilmore.
Yep.
Not bad. What a score.